Is your Chevy Silverado Apple CarPlay refusing to connect or responding slowly to your inputs? Surprisingly, 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by simple cable faults or software hangs. Let us walk through the troubleshooting playbook to get you back online. Start by swapping your cable for an official Apple one and testing the secondary USB port in your console. If the hardware is fine, go into your iPhone settings to forget the Silverado and repair the device from scratch. On the truck side, perform a soft reset of the MyLink system by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Most users find their fix at home, but if the USB port is physically damaged, you will need a dealer visit. As the data shows, the vast majority of these issues are resolved by simply replacing a worn-out charging cable. For persistent issues, check your iPhone port for pocket lint and ensure the truck's USB pins are not bent. Keep a high-quality cable and a small can of compressed air in your glove box for quick troubleshooting. Always remember to treat your ports with care, as forcing a connection can lead to expensive repairs. If these steps helped, hit that subscribe button for more Silverado troubleshooting tips.